Typically, I only bring one pair of goggles, but on a peak like Mount Everest, I'll bring 2 pairs. And that's so that I have a spare, but also I like one of my pairs to be a clear lens. So when I take off from the South Col summit night, when it's dark, you don't want to have a dark lens like this. You want a clear lens so that you can protect your eyes so you don't freeze your corneas, but you don't want the darkness that you need during the day on the snow. In general though, I just bring this darker lens. You want it to be the darkest lens you can find, because a lot of times on peaks like Denali, Vinson, Mount Everest, you're going to be traveling on the glacier, on snow, where there's a lot of reflection of that sunlight off the snow. So a good dark lens, Cat 2 to 4, really more towards that darker end of the spectrum. Cat 4 is ideal. The other thing I wanted to mention here was, this is the Smith Turbo Fan. When I bought these, I thought this was just going to be a gimmick, but I find that this turbo fan actually works well for defogging the goggle. So that's something you may want to try. I found it to be very useful high altitude peaks and when it's really cold, like Vinson Summit Day.